Today I'm gonna test out my new hammock. I always wanted a hammock. See, I made some straps here, some do-it-yourself, just to make it happen. And there was the hammock I got relatively inexpensively. More. Let's hope that holds out. A little bit nervous. So what I've done is as you can see, I've put these cushions here just to hold it, or just to protect my head from banging to the ground if my knots fail. Do you think these knots are going to fail? And this one? It could even be that the railing fails. Well, let's have a go. So I did try it earlier. It's kind of a test run. Oh, my things have fallen down there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and spread it out a little bit for my ass. Okay. So now, going like this, I'm going to get my ass to fit in here. We're holding the camera. There we go. Spread a little bit to the side. A little bit to the side there. And I'm in. And I'm in. I don't know how to stop it swaying from side to side here. Oi. Nice and comfy. My first hammock. Think I can sleep. Hear the sound of the water. I think this could go quite well on a summer's afternoon before the sun arrives, because the sun comes in from that side in the afternoon. In the winter, from about 2 PM onwards. I can feel why people like these things so much. It's really, really comfortable. At the back of my mind, it's the worry of whether those knots are going to hold any longer. We see. And the other thing is whether to make this video public or private. Time to kill it. Or should we just try and get out? Let's try and get out and see how it goes. One leg to the side, one leg to the side. Gently try and sit up. And up we come. Done. Let's see.